In front of me is Air 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and hit Apps. Then choose Default Apps, hit Home App and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Then hit Got It, and as you can see, my layout was successfully applied. To make some changes, just go into Launcher Pro app. If you want to go back to your default layout, go back to the same settings. Hit Apps, Default Apps, Home App and Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!